Hey, this is Josh here. We are going to give you a quick update on our decking project my boy and I got going. So we chose Azek TimberTech decking with the plugs for the screws. So they're countersunk, and they got these composite plugs to go in. Let me flip how we started this, because I had to call in a resource, some smarter brains than I have, to determine how to start this. And what we determined, oops, too far. What we determined was lay them all across, because they're 20-foot boards, and I'm going to do a picture frame around the border on the outside. And what I'll do before I put the border down, the picture frame, is I'll snap a line and then cut that. But to get started here, you can see we've still got some siding to go up. So I wanted to leave enough room for flashing for them to get in here. So I didn't even do this first board, okay? But what I did was I read the instructions, refer to your manual and instructions installation kit or installation manual to figure out, hey Axel, hold on buddy, to figure out how this should be installed. And after reading upon it, it said give yourself half an inch between the wall and the first board. So I did that. That would give me 6 inches total from the wall to the edge of this first board. Okay, so that's 6 inches. And then it said to give yourself between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch gap between the two. So I went 1/8 of an inch and measured from the wall 6 1/8. See if I can do this one-handed. 6 1/8. And here you can see I've got 6 1/8 right on where that second board starts. Put one screw in here, went a couple boards down, measured 6 1/8, put another screw in, and then just worked my way down to the end, and that was 6 1/8 and on the end. So then I filled in the gaps, and I've got my trusty sidekick here, Axel. Say hi, Axel. He's putting in these plugs. I'll show you what they look like. So here are the plugs. Zoom works, or my focus.
Fell right off.
So there's the plugs, and they're composite as well. Again, from Azek TimberTech, and the countersink bit that comes with them, with the screws, is pretty slick. You just push that all the way in, drive the screw all the way down till it feels like the screw head gets stripped. Maybe it is, and that tells you when you stop. So that's the right depth. Hammer these plugs in, and away we go. Here you can see we've got another helper arriving too, so I'm gonna get this done in the next 20 minutes maybe. Far-fetched. Nope, so we've got quite a few boards to go, and then again, like I said, I will come back here and determine how much overhang I want on the picture frame board that is going to go perpendicular to the house and the deck boards, and it'll run out there. And then what I'll do is I'll snap a line, put up a clamp, some kind of a guide, and then set my depth on my sawzall and my circular saw, and run that circular saw down the strip. So thanks in big part to Robbie Kobalinski for that idea. Thanks, Rob. And then I'll go ahead and work on the other side too. And then last but not least, I'll do the front side here too. What I'm going to need to do actually on this front side is I'll miter these corners. Miter the corners, which means that this 20-foot board on a 20-foot deck is not going to be long enough. So I have to have a butt seam somewhere. So I've gone ahead and decided, where am I going to put my steps? My stairs are going to come down here. It'll be straight off and out. And I think I've got a line under here somewhere. Yep, there I've got my steps going this way and railings going this way. So what I'll do is I'm going to try to put the butt seam right here, so I can put in a couple of screws in each side, and then cover that seam up as much as I can with the butt seam, or with the railing post, and then we keep on going from there. So if this helps somebody, great. I watched a few. Axel, please don't do that on the deck board, buddy. little too much help here from Mr. Axel, but hey, I'd rather have too much help than not enough. So hope this helps somebody as the YouTube videos have helped me. And yeah, have a good day.